Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today I'm excited to present our innovation in teaching for Math 551, a template to master standard costing and variance analysis. Okay, this is our team members led by me. Okay, standard costing and variance analysis are a crucial topic in management accounting. However, many students struggle with identifying data and applying a formula correctly, which lead to miscalculation and confusion. Our innovation, a structured template, provide a systematic way for students to extract and organize data, ensuring accuracy in their calculation. Okay, we identify four major challenges students face. Number one, difficulty in identifying and categorizing relevant data. Number two, inefficient learning causing poor time management during assessment. Number three, frequent error due to misplaced or missing figures in variance calculation. And the last one is lack of structured guidance reduce student confidence in solving standard costing problems. Okay, next will be the objective of this project. The main objective of our innovation are number one, to develop a structured template that simplifies the data extraction and organization. Number two, to reduce errors in standard costing and variance analysis calculation. Number three is to improve the learning efficiency by optimizing time spent on variance analysis question. And the last one, to ensure student confidence, okay, and increase the problem solving skills. Okay, the key question we aim to answer was, how can we help students accurately extract and organize data for variance analysis while improving their confidence and efficiency? So our solution is this structured template, specifically designed to guide the student in solving the standard costing and variance analysis problem, especially for material and labor mix and yield. These templates help them extract and organize data systematically, ensuring they use the right figures in the correct formula. Okay, how this template works? Okay, number one, the template provide a pre-designed structure to help students identify relevant data from the question. Okay, it includes a specific section for budgeted, actual, and the standard mix. So meaning from the question, student needs to extract the information. For example, to find a usage per unit for material double N, I put as a X figure. Okay, and next to multiply with the standard material price, I put as a 0 to get the total cost per unit. So each the question, the product required two type of material. So student need to extract for both material and put in this structured template before they proceed to apply into this the formula. This is an example for question. Student needs to calculate the following variance. Number one, direct material mix for chemical X and direct material yield variance. Number two, they also need to calculate the direct labor mix for skilled labor and also the direct labor yield variance for the skilled labor. Alright, so from this plain question, student needs to extract the information, okay, and to put it in the structured template given. Okay, as you can see here, this is the template after students extract the data and arrange them accordingly. Alright, so before they started to answer the question, to calculate the variance given, so they need to fulfill the template by extracting the data from this question. Alright, so this template will assist them accurately transfer the data from this question and put in the put in those formula given to answering the question. Okay, this innovation stands out because number one, this template introduced a step-by-step approach to extract the data from this question, and put into the template before they start to answer the standard costing question. Number two, this tool ensure the accuracy before formula application. Number three, the structured design make it adaptable for various type of standard costing and variant problem. And the last one is can this innovation, this template can be expanded into digital tools for self-assessment in future applications. Okay, by using this template, student will benefit in multiple ways, including improved accuracy in data extraction and variance calculation, better time management, and increase confidence in solving variance analysis problem. And for lecturer, this tool, this template can improve student performance and engagement. And the last one is can simplify teaching and assessment. To measure the effectiveness, we tested the template for one semester with 25 students. The result shows that 80% of the students, 20 out of 25 students in this class, passed the standard costing and variance analysis session, scoring more than 11 out of 22 total marks. Okay, this indicate a significant improvement in understanding and application. Okay, as a conclusion, the structured template enhance students' accuracy, efficiency, and confidence in standard costing and variance analysis. Okay, this innovation can lead to improve the student performance. Its success suggests potential for wider adoption in accounting education, with opportunities for digital expansion and also the commercialization to further enrich the learning experiences. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much.